I'm joined by Paul Ensor today from ITC, and I couldn't let him escape without asking him about MACH. It's just around the corner, so what have you got to show me?
There's a lot of excitement about the MACH exhibition this time, Joe. I think everybody's doing well in the industry. We've got a larger stand than we had previously, representing the 3 product groups that we're now responsible for. We've obviously got our own manufactured product, the ITC product, with our new ranges in the issue 13 catalogue. We've talked about the Advances 2018 catalogue from Whittier with the new products they're bringing on. They'll be showcased at MACH. And then the big Kaiser, which is actually 2 brands in one. Big Dyer shower tool holders and the Kaiser Swiss boring head system. They're launching a new app where you can actually alter the size of a boring head on a mobile phone app.
Why not? Modern world.
Quite a leap forward, really.
Yeah. Okay, and what's your stand number?
We're in Hall 20, stand 650. Come along, it's a single stand, 3 points of reference, new products on all, so there's something new to see, and I'm sure something that will excite you.
Well, I'm sure I'll come across and see you, and I recommend you engineers watching this do as well. So,
thank you.
Thanks, Paul.